Hello dear students, let's start our discussion with secondary focus. In the last lecture, we have studied about primary focus of both concave and convex lens. In this lecture, we will start our discussion with convex lens, or secondary focus of a convex lens. So in this, let us first write it is the point, or in a different manner you can write also when parallel beam of ray incident on a convex lens which after refraction meets at the point is known as secondary focus. Secondary focus means let us first draw convex lens. Okay, so what we have right over here, let's read again. When parallel beam of ray incident on a convex lens. Okay, so first draw parallel beam like this. When parallel beam of ray incident on a convex lens which after refraction meets at the point, that point is secondary focus, means these rays after refracted from this convex lens will get converged to a certain point like this. This will go undeviated, the middle one, and similarly this will go like this and like this. Okay, so the point here means this point is known as secondary focus. So in definition you will understand it more properly now. When parallel beam of ray incident rays, you should write, when parallel beam of rays incident on a convex lens which after refraction meet at the point, mean after refraction they are getting meet at this point. Okay, so this point is known as secondary focus of convex lens. So this is secondary focus of convex lens. Okay, similarly let us write it for concave lens. About concave lens you can write when parallel rays incident on a concave lens which after refraction diverges in such a way that they appears to come from a point, that point is known as means secondary focus of concave lens. This is not the definition of concave lens actually, this is about secondary focus of concave lens. Okay, so please keep in mind. So what we have right, let us discuss it in further detail. This is a concave lens And again, let's draw its principal axis. So what does this definition say? It says that when parallel rays incident on a concave lens, means parallel rays are getting incident to this concave lens, like this I'm drawing, uh, which after refraction diverges. You know that parallel beam of ray, if is coming to a concave lens, it will get diverged like this. Actually, I should draw it further like this. Okay, like this. So how it will go? Like this, like the bottom wall will be less deviated. We have already discussed how this works in terms of prism. We have studied this. You can also watch that lecture like this. So further, the definition is saying that diverging in such a way that they appears to come from a point. They are getting diverged such that they appears to come from that point, like this. If I extend this in backward direction with dotted line, they seems to be come from this point, like this, like this. Okay, so this point exactly is known as secondary foci or focus, secondary focus of concave lens. Okay, so this is all about secondary focus. These rays are not actually coming from this point. They will just appears to come from that point, because since the lens is placed over here, so lens will diverge this parallel beam. Okay, so this is all about secondary focus of convex and concave lens.